What if you could produce a full, high-end cinematic music video without ever touching a camera, learning complex editing software, or knowing a single thing about music production? For most AI creators right now, the workflow is a mess. You're bouncing between ChatGPT for lyrics, Suno for music, Midjourney for images, and then trying to stitch everything together in tools like Runway or CapCut. And the result? Your characters change faces in every shot, the lip sync looks like a bad dub, and the visuals never truly match the beat of the song. But today, we're looking at a complete game changer, DramaLand AI. It claims to be the world's first all-in-one creative suite for AI music videos, and it's designed to be your entire production pipeline inside one single interface. From the first spark of an idea to the final high-quality render, it handles everything. And the best part is, you don't need any technical skills or filmmaking background to get professional-looking results. Before we dive into the workflow, I've got something special for you. I've dropped the DramaLand link in the description and the pinned comment, and by using my code, you can redeem it to instantly receive 6,000 free credits. And to put that into perspective, 6,000 credits in the AI world is a serious head start. That's enough to create a full multi-scene music video from scratch without spending a single dollar. On top of that, once you're inside the platform, you can claim an extra 500 credits every single day just by logging in and using the system. Now, this code has limited redemptions, so you'll want to grab yours before they're gone. So yeah, if you've been waiting for the perfect moment to start, this is it. Okay, it's time to build something. Now, when you log into DramaLand AI, the first thing you'll notice is how clean the interface is. We have a prompt box in the middle, and there are 4 modes to choose from: Single, Season, Script, and MV. Since we're making a music video here, let's go straight into MV mode. And right away, you'll notice a new button appears that lets you upload audio. So with that, you can either upload an audio track you already have and describe the video concept, or you can simply paste in your lyrics and let the platform generate the song for you. DramaLand AI claims to be the first all-in-one creative suite for AI music videos, so let's start completely from scratch here. I'm going to paste in some lyrics I already have for a high-energy pop dance track. This is a great genre to test because it demands fast cuts and expressive visuals. Once I hit generate, it takes us into a collaborative chat with a working canvas on the right. Look at that! We only gave it a set of lyrics, but DramaLand AI's agent, Dolly, has already analyzed them thoroughly and identified the style of the song accurately as dance pop upbeat with high energy. We can always edit the style here, and honestly, it's already almost spot on. I'm just going to switch it to female vocals and maybe add in some arpeggios. And notice that DramaLand has the Suno AI V5 music model integrated directly into the platform, along with Minimax Music 2.5 Plus, which is another major player in music generation. On the left side in the chat, we're asked to select the music model for generating the song. I'm going to keep Suno V5, hit generate on the canvas, and let the AI start cooking. Okay, Suno gives us a few different versions. Let's listen to this one.
We got neon hearts glowing in the dark, dancing like we're fire, lighting up the sparks, turn it up, don't stop, let the whole world drop, we're electric now, never coming down.
That's really good. It's not too chaotic and it has a great rhythm. I think it'll be perfect for a music video, so I'm selecting this one to anchor the project. Let's hit Plan MV. And right away, Dolly the AI agent starts drafting the full creative treatment. This is where you really start to see the power of having a creative director inside your browser. Look at the canvas. Dolly has drafted the complete plan for our music video, including the concept, narrative synopsis, key scenes, and even the character definitions. The story we have here is about 2 lovers, Nova and Orion, navigating an underground rave, with the DJ guy as an additional character. Notice the level of detail in the cast design. Dolly has defined their outfits, their builds, and even their accessories. And here's the best part, the edit button. If you don't like any specific element here, you can just click that and change whatever you want so it better fits your vision for the video. Everything looks good to me, so let's hit generate, confirm, and proceed in the chat. And here, we need to pick our visual style. Hallucinogenic neon is selected by default, and Dolly has also recommended some alternative styles that fit the song, including neon noir and K-pop. But if we click switch here, you can see there's actually a huge variety of styles available across categories like realistic, 2D animation, 3D render, illustration, and even experimental. Now, I know photorealism would probably be the most common choice here, but I'm going to go a bit wild this time and choose an illustration style instead. I'm really interested to see how DramaLand handles this, because I've seen a lot of AI video tools completely fall apart when you push them into illustrated aesthetics. Since our song calls for something dynamic, let's go with this classic American comic style. Let's select the horizontal 16:9 aspect ratio and hit generate. And now, the AI is generating the character images for the cast of our music video. Okay, we have our characters. We've got Nova, Cypher, and Orion in this comic illustration style. The DJ guy, Cypher, looks a little younger than I expected, but that's alright. Let's move on to the next step. And now we're presented with the character sheets, along with the location list and location images. The locations feel a little inconsistent with one another, but at the same time, I'm curious to see how all of this comes together, so let's confirm and proceed with it. With our characters and locations locked in, now we head into the storyboard segments. This is where you really step into the role of the producer. Here, we get a shot-by-shot scene breakdown inside the storyboard. And if any specific shot doesn't perfectly match your vision, just click the edit shot icon, and you can rewrite the prompt for that one individual 5-second segment without affecting the rest of the project. We have 26 segments in total, so this is the full storyboard for the complete music video. And down at the bottom, we have our model selection. For the non-lip-sync segments, I'm going to use the ProKling model for smooth cinematic environmental motion. But for the scenes where Nova is performing directly to camera, we'll go with the DLI model for lip-sync. Let's hit generate. And now the composer is working on all of the scene segments for the video simultaneously. Okay, all the clips are now rendered. Let's check them out.
Feels like we're flying, based on moving through my inner party. No tomorrow, just this.
The characters definitely look consistent, and it has handled the location changes really well. Let's not waste any more time and click Compose here to compile all the segments together into the final music video. In the settings, we can choose the resolution and the caption style. I'm going to select white letters with a glow and hit Compose. And here we are. Let's look at the result.
Your reflection in the party. No tomorrow, just this feeling. We're alive and never leaving. Hands up, don't slow down. Feel the rhythm take you now. No fear, no doubt. Let it all just play out.
The best thing about this is how the cuts are perfectly aligned with the beat. The visuals actually move with the same rhythm as the song. And look at the characters. They're consistent, detailed, and they genuinely feel like they belong in this world. The lip sync, for the most part, is also quite good, without any major delay. That being said, there is definitely still room for improvement when it comes to overall visual consistency. While the characters stay recognizable throughout the scenes and the motion is smooth, the actions within some of the individual segments could feel more seamless. But despite those AI quirks, it's important to remember the context here. We went from a few lines of text to a fully produced, beat-synced 3-character music video in a stylized comic book aesthetic in just a few minutes. And what's also great for the independent musicians watching this is that you're not limited to AI-generated tracks. If you already have your own song recorded, you can simply use that upload audio button we saw earlier. The platform will analyze your vocals and rhythm just as accurately, and then generate a professional music video for your own music without the need for a multi-thousand-dollar production budget. The tool is still in its early stages, but the level of understanding it already has of rhythm, vibe, and musical style is genuinely impressive. Whether you want to create a hyper-realistic K-pop video, or a wild experimental animation like the one we just made, the freedom to modify and edit at every step means you're never locked into a generic AI result. If you're ready to stop jumping between 5 different apps and start building your own productions, make sure you take advantage of my code. Use the link in the description, head to the Task Center, and enter the invite code to claim your 6,000 free credits. And don't forget to check back every day. Extra 500 credits login bonus adds up fast, which means you can keep experimenting and refining your style for free. I'm really curious to see what styles you guys end up choosing, so drop a comment below. By the way, if you want to take this further, come join us over at the AI with Tech Snap community. We just opened up our official Discord server and Patreon. It's a place for us to hang out, share what we're creating, and help each other grow. Whether you're a free member or looking to support the channel, I'd love to see you there. Head over to the Patreon link in the description to grab your Discord invite and get started. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your first production, and I'll see you in the next one.